Welcome to day 3 of my road trip from Florida to my home base in Colorado. I will be flying back from Oklahoma City though to spend some time with my family, and then flying back to Oklahoma City to get the van and drive back to Denver because I'm going to be spending about 7 to 10 days there with my partner in Oklahoma City. So he wants to see his friends and family. So we'll do that, and then we'll drive back to Colorado together, if that makes any sense. Now, if you guys yet watched the road trip series from day 1, you will see that yesterday in day 2, I did go and stop. I'm in Lafayette right now. I'm in Lafayette right now, and we are heading to Texas. I don't know where I'll stop in Texas. You guys will find out by the end of this video. If you have not yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and that way, and turn on your notification bell. That way you'll know when new videos are being released, and you can follow on this road trip. It's getting a little more chilly in the mornings, which I really love and appreciate. I do like 50s in the morning. That is like primo sleeping weather. I slept really well last night. On my stops here, I will be making another stop tonight. I will be sleeping maybe at another Cracker Barrel. I'm really liking these Cracker Barrel, guys. I thought maybe truck stops, maybe Walmarts, but the Cracker Barrels are so easy. They're right off the highway. They have designated RV parking. I'm not in an RV. I'm obviously in a minivan, but same goes for VanLifers. We're allowed here. Before we head out of here, I wanted to go ahead and check online to see where the best crawfish is, because it is the season. I gotta take out trash, and I gotta water the grass. Thanks, Cracker Barrel, for my nice stay last night. Very, very nice. You guys know what has to happen. Vinegar. Flip the pillow, and we're done. Laptop in a safe place where it doesn't bounce around and people can't see it.
In 600 feet, turn right onto North University Avenue.
Still lower than the rest of the country, but it's starting to go up as we are moving west. Ooh, brr, it's getting chilly out there. Oh, I forgot to explain to you guys what happened last night in the previous episode. You guys saw that I was at the Cracker Barrel and I was parked next to an RV, and as soon as I saw that guy pull out his generator, I moved to a different parking spot. And then on top of that, my fairy lights would only have the color green. Good thing I have a second set. I had gotten a second set, the Prius, but then I never ended up using it. I brought it along with me just in case.
In 1,000 feet, keep left at the fork. Follow signs for Allen.
All right, so I really have to pee. So I'm pulling over right now. And guess what? I don't have to wait to get to a gas station. I can just do it right off of this ramp. Okay, we're at a stop. Let me just hop into the back, guys. We'll go ahead and lock this door. Let me just kind of climb into the back here. I will be right back. Easy peasy. Okay. Somebody's been texting me. All right, guys, let's get back on the road. We have 45 minutes left.
Continue for 51 miles.
That's so much easier than having to wait to get to a gas station or a rest stop, isn't it? So I'm at the Larry P's boiling pot. Apparently it is a food truck, which is fine with me. I think my question is, do they have a place to eat and sit down? Because if they don't, I don't want to do it here in the vehicle. It's very, very messy. I'm not sure yet. Let's figure it out.
How you doing?
Good. I found you guys online. Do you guys have crawfish?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a place to sit?
No, man, we don't.
Oh.
We don't have a place to sit here. We're welcome to, I don't know what kind of vehicle, pop your tailgate and sit there and eat, but
Yeah,
we just can't do the food truck.
Yeah, no, that's okay. I just didn't know if you had any tables around set up.
There is a park down the road about.
Oh, there's a park?
Mile and a half down there.
Oh, okay.
It's probably
Okay.
right there for that. We have different size platters. It's $5.99 a pound, just by the pound.
Oh, really?
And then we got platters that basically come with corn and potatoes for about the same price.
All right. Let's do 2 pounds because I want a ½ pound of shrimp.
Okay.
And make that a combo
All right.
with the, I guess,
potatoes?
yeah, corn and potatoes.
All right, that's 27, 23.
Yeah, I actually think that's a great idea. I don't know why I didn't think, let's go to the park. Okay.
You got your corn and potatoes and styrofoam with your dipping sauce and butter.
Perfect.
I threw your Cajun butter in there to try too.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a good one. All right. We got the goods. So let's go to the local park. Hopefully there's some shade. All right, so we're here at this park. Got some picnic tables right ahead of us. That is where we are going. Not a bad spot. All right, let's look and see what we've got. A lot of weight in this bag. Okay, we got our shrimp, potatoes, butter, corn. I wish I had asked for gloves. I forgot to ask for gloves. We got 2 pounds of crawfish. Nice. Now, these, yeah, you gotta peel. My fingers will be smelling like Cajun spice after this. And crawfish. That's good. Squash the head with the teeth and suck on it. Get those Cajun juices all out at the same time. It's good. Those claws. Not sure if I'm gonna work on the claws or not. Got some sharp sides to them right here. Yeah, that one came out nice. All right, that's all I can eat, guys. There's still a good, probably 1.5 pounds of crawfish in here, and I'm gonna see if I want that for dinner or else it's gonna have to be trashed, I guess.
Hey, you know what? I gotta tell you this. It makes me very happy to see you enjoying the little things right now on your road trip. It's like I'm living vicariously through you right now.
Living vicariously through me?
Yeah, just seeing you enjoy the food and, take your time and, enjoying the road trip, just really, really going at your own pace. It's awesome.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Yeah.
I really appreciate your love and support, and just I can see how genuine and sincere you are about saying that. I gotta get my Castile soap out and wash my hands. That was a lot of Cajun seasoning. Just a drop of the Castile soap because it lathers up really well. So we're gonna leave this on for, wash it real good, because man, that Cajun seasoning has that smell and that crawfish smell. Woo! I'm pretty sure I'm near LSU because it seems like there's a lot of athletes and students around here. I should just get the garden pressure spray out, but it's tucked back there, and this was just easier to grab right now. Much better. All right. I had to like move to a spot that was under a tree and get some shade. I'm going to stay over here and then drive over to Cracker Barrel. I'll see you guys over there. All right, so I didn't stay in Shreveport. My stomach started getting upset. Didn't feel that great. All the spiciness, it wasn't the food itself. My stomach was sensitive to the Cajun spices, as delicious as it is and as much as I'm willing to suffer. Anyway, I ended up at Cracker Barrel, and I'm in Texas. Longview, Texas now. So I'm just gonna chill here tonight, guys. I'm a little bit tired because my stomach's a little offset. So appreciate you guys spending time here. I know you could be doing a lot of other things instead of being here with me, but I appreciate you being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and just consider it, subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you can get notified when I do release new videos, and you can be here on this road trip with me. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, constructive comments below, because I love to learn. Channel and the community can learn some things as well. I will see you on day 4, heading into Dallas, Texas, to stay with some friends.